Hello, my name is Joy. Are you ready to kickstart an amazing career in tech? The truth is, there are so many job opportunities both here in Nigeria and abroad for those who have tech skills. So if you want to learn digital skills in high demand and build a successful career in tech, I have some fantastic news for you. Guess what? Right now, Bizmaro Technologies is offering you an incredible discount of 20% when you register for any of our digital skill courses. Whether you want to learn data analysis, data science, website design and development, digital marketing, UI/UX design, cybersecurity, graphics design, motion graphics, or 2D, 3D modeling and animation, or any other tech skills, we have got you covered. Just imagine the doors that we open for you with these in-demand digital skills. Pay attention to this. Here at Bizmaro Technologies, it's all about getting your hands dirty with practical hands-on training. Yes, not just theory. You will have a dedicated trainer to guide you, and guess what? You'll be creating a real-life project before even graduating. Say goodbye to learning in overcrowded classroom. Yes, no crowded classroom here at Bizmaro Technologies. We believe in giving you the personal attention you deserve. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this amazing chance to shape your future. Register now to take that first step towards a rewarding career in tech. The future is digital, my friends, and Bizmaro Technologies is here to guide you on every step of the way. Let's make your tech dreams a reality. Bye.